So here's a solution to adding the images to your assessment. So first go to Google or any other browser that you can type in to find the image you're looking for. Once you found the image, we're just going to use this Great Seal of the state of Idaho as an example. Once I found my image, I click on it to open it. I right click it and I'm actually going to click on Save Image As. I'm going to add this image to my computer somewhere. So it needs to be saved on my computer so that I can access it through Schoology. Once I have it saved, I then go into Schoology, open up the assessment, go into a question choice. This one just happened to be multiple choice. So when I open up the multiple choice in the question, I can type my question here. Then I'm ready to add the image that I want the students to refer to as they're answering the question. So this icon right here that looks like it's a portrait, when you hover over it, it says image. This is the button you would use to add the image. When you click on that, it's going to ask you to then drag and drop or click an image to add it right here. So I just click on the plus sign. Now I'm going to go on my computer files wherever I save that image, and I'm going to come over here and find it. And this particular image, I believe, is saved here. I highlight it, I click it, and then I open it. Now, I believe this is where you were saying that it makes the image really big. So at this point, you can't really do anything with the image at this part, except for students that get text read to them, sometimes it won't read an image. So what you can do is in the alternative text piece, is you can add some text in here so that when the student hovers over it, it will actually read it to them if they have text to read or images that can be read to them via their computer. So when I'm ready to do that and I have everything done, I scroll down here to the OK option. So once I've clicked OK, now it's going to take that image and it's added it to the question. To make this smaller, I click on it, turns the image blue. If I click edit, it goes back to the screen where I can add my alternative text. Or if I come over here to the side, I've got these little cursors on the corners. I grab one cursor, left click it, hold it down, and then just shrink my image to the size that I want it to be. And that's how you would then make your image small enough so that's on the question. Of course, then go down, add your multiple choice answers, select the right answer, and then you can go from there. Here's what I would recommend. If you have a question that requires a picture or an image and you're using it for multiple questions, I would add the image for each question. The reason why is because remember in assessments, each question is its own screen, and therefore the students would have the question right there in front of them with the picture, and they don't have to scroll back to other screens to find the image. So you just make it right a part of each question that you're asking with the image. It just makes it a little bit easier for the students to navigate through. Besides, the picture is already on your computer. It's just as simple as adding the image again and just find it on your computer. So it's already there. I hope that helps. If you need anything else, just let me know, and I'll be glad to work with you of building those assessments.